Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Grand Design Imagine 2800 BH. This is a 2024 model. It's offered by Bill Thomas Camper, Wentzville, Missouri. Link below for new, used, service and parts. Here's a pass-through storage. We also have the hookup station on the other side for your water. We'll get inside here in a second. I do want to show you the windows stacked there. You can tell that's a bunkhouse, and underneath the bunkhouse we have all this goodness. We have a 3-burner cooktop, flat top. I shouldn't call it a cook. Yeah, it is a cooktop, flat top. We have a small dormitory style and size refrigerator. I'm going to sneak around the other side just to show you. We have a single slide. You can see your trailer hookup, single slide, and a nice deep one at that. Let's get inside so you can see all of the goodness from the 2800 BH. There's your Imagine badging, your 2800 BH. As we step up inside, you're greeted right away by your theater style seating as well as your bunkhouse. So you have the new for 24 strip LED lighting, and then below here you can see additional storage ladder to that, and I'll show you the bathroom. Nice wide shower. Then you have these cubbies on there's 4 cubbies on the side. Great place for roll-up towels. We have a small cabinet here, perfect for additional toilet paper or whatever else you want to put in there. Stainless steel sink, nice deep cabinet here. And then your corner medicine cabinet. Very, very nice. As we back out of the bathroom and swing around. So here's the theater style seating, and we do have a place for your remote. You can see the dining. It's a U-shaped dining. It's dropped down currently for additional sleeping, so you can sleep folks here. You can sleep folks in the recliners if you want it to. We'll show you the kitchen in a moment. Don't want to swing around too much. So right when we walk in the bedroom, you can see we have a TV backer location as well as your plug-in. We have the LED lighting. You have access to a second door to the outside. You have cabinets and drawers on both sides. And then cabinet above. And then you have reading lighting and then accent lighting. And then the cubbies have residential style and plugs. We have USB, USB-C ports. Let me back up, and we have underbed storage. And I really like the way Grand Design does the storage under the bed. They build this, it's kind of like a drawer without a face, and then it slides back and forth. Great place to put shoes or sweaters, smaller items, and then you can put your luggage if you're weekend camping or short-term camping. As we slide back out, we'll get into the kitchen goodness. So we have a small microwave oven, 3-burner cooktop, and then a conventional oven. Great for pizza, cookies. And then look at the size of this drawer underneath. Wowzer, wowzer. And these pins, you can configure those to hold your pots and your pans so they don't rattle all over the place, but that is a serious drawer. Then you have a cabinet here as well as additional drawers. Nice deep drawers here. Stainless steel sink, your drying rack, cabinets above. You can see the cabinet there goes all the way to the back. So nice wide cabinet, also goes into the corner. Window here at the counter for some cross ventilation, but also to dry. Great place to dry, cool down some cookies. You can just smell the smell of some chocolate chip or Toll House cookies. Refrigerator and freezer. And then another deep drawer, great place for additional pizza trays. Flat screen TV. There is a cabinet behind it. I'll show you that in a moment. But a nice spot for video games and a video game player. Nice deep and wide cabinet. Nice deep drawers. And then your fuse boxes below. So those are false cabinets. It looks good. Looks a lot better than if you saw the fronts of the fuse panels. Let me back up. So there you can see the LED strip lighting in the ceiling. So this is what the 2024 Grand Design 2800 BH looks like on the interior. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got value out of it. Any comments, questions, leave them below, and we'll catch you on the next video. Appreciate all the support.